Section 5.2.2 Network Naming Part 3. Here's an important networking rule to remember. The sending device must know both the IP and the MAC address of the receiving device. Here's how you make sure you have both. When it's time to find a device, you will use ARP. ARP, or Address Resolution Protocol, is the foundation of network communications. ARP is a tool used by devices on the same network to find the MAC address associated with an IP address. One device broadcasts an ARP request to all the devices on the network. It is exactly like someone yelling in a room. So if a network has a lot of ARP broadcasts going on, then that network is probably going to be slow. Just like when highways slow down when they have too much volume, the same is true of networks. The device with the IP address will respond to the ARP request with its MAC address. Here is how ARP works. Bob wants to send a message to a computer whose IP address is 10.0.0.1, but he needs the MAC address for that device. Remember, a device can't send packets to a specific device until we have both the IP and the MAC address. So Bob sends out an ARP request. The message that goes out to every computer asking, who is 10.0.0.1. Sally's computer responds by providing her MAC address. Bob puts that information in his ARP table so that any further packets for Sally can go right out without the need for more ARP broadcasts. Note that the ARP table doesn't last forever because devices also don't keep their IP addresses forever.